Hi everyone, welcome. I'm Jeanette and this is the Crafty Hobbit channel. In this video, this is a new in the shop item for Check Decor. I am super excited to bring this piece to you. This is a vintage style lamppost pedestal clock. It's going to look great on your mantle. The last one I had was over a year ago, and as soon as it was in the shop, within the first week it was sold. And it's taken me that long to find another one. These are just not that plentiful out there to find. And I'm going to have to be honest with you. I have had it on my desk for several weeks now. I am just enjoying it. It has a soft ticking noise to it with the sweeping second hand. And it's just so cute. I did the same thing with the last one, so guilty as charged, I guess. But into this clock. It is about 13.5 inches tall by 6 inches wide across the face area and about 4.5 inches on the base diameter. Hand painted with the black and white checks, trimmed out in vintage gold, and it has the hand painted vintage gold Whimsy flowers on the pedestal coming up to the face of the clock. It does have the same open back style with runs on one AA battery, not included of course, but they're pretty easy to find out there. And I just want to say that this is such a cute clock. I know you're going to enjoy it. I do have only one. I've been on the hunt for as many as I can, but they don't come up very often. So if you want to grab this, you can scan the QR code right here in the video and use the instant purchase checkout process through that, or use the first link in the video description. If you want to use the traditional online shopping, use the second link in the video description, which will take you over to my Crafty Hobbit store where you can do the shopping cart process. And hey, if you want to see more new unique designs to add to your Check Decor, shabby chic, French country, even a little farmhouse, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. I post all my new items here first, so you'll be the first to know when a new item is in the store. Thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one.